So I had someone say to me on Quora that I couldn't page up or page down in a Google document. This is a test document. So I create a test document and I can scroll left and up, scroll up and down button. But I can also, for me on my, I think on my Mac, let's see if I make sure I said this right. I said that the keystroke on a Mac is function up, down, down arrow. So I'll go to the document and I'm going to do function Fn down, down, down. Now it's not going to go to the top of page 1, 2, and 3. It's just going to scroll down a whole page based on what's on the screen. If I show more on the screen, you'll see that if I go all the way to the top, it's going to go show, it'll do more function down, function up, function down, function down, function down, function up, up, up. So for me, this seems to work well. I don't know why it doesn't work on other people's computers with Chrome. The function up and down is what works for me in Google Chrome. I did not test this in Firefox or Safari or other apps. So if I go test it in Firefox, I'm going to share this document. Anyone with the link, I'm going to bring up Firefox, paste it. Let's see what's page up and page down on Firefox. I don't know. View, I don't know what page. I think it's probably the same thing. Function up, yes, function up and down on a Mac. Function up and down is Mac up and down buttons. Function, I'm holding the function and just I'm not letting go of it and hitting the up down arrow. I'm not letting go of the function at all until I'm done. Now I let go, but when I go to page up and hold the function, and then I use the other fingers to do up and down arrow. Seems to work for me, but don't know why it doesn't work for others. So anyway, hope this is helpful. Hope you figure it out.